Hi everyone, my name's Iris. I'm the founder of The Quick Flick, and today I'm talking to you about the Iris Smit Set. I'm very excited to finally have my own set of my favourite Quick Flick products. So before I jumped on camera, I used the Quick Fix makeup eraser pen that I have right here to touch up a few little makeup mistakes that I had. The first one, I used it to clean up around my eye area and a few makeup smudges from my mascara. And then I also used it to sharpen around my lip area and to just sharpen up that lip liner a little bit. You can also use the Quick Fix around your eyebrow area to sharpen up your brows, and it features a little tip like so. So it kind of looks like a little felt tip. And the pen itself is actually full of micellar water. My second favourite product, which you'll also find in the set, is our Quick Flick Eyeliner Stamp. My all-time favourite size is our To The Point size, which is our thinnest style wing. It measures 10 millimeters in length, and I just feel like this is the perfect size stamp to wear during the day, during the night. It just suits every occasion. It suits all eye types, even hooded eyes, which I have. So for these reasons, this is my favorite eyeliner size that we have in the collection. The third product that you'll find in my set is our Quick Lash Adhesive Liner. This is the black shade liner. This is the ultimate solution. It is basically like an eyeliner, but it has PSA properties, which is a pressure sensitive adhesive, which holds your lashes in place all day, no matter the weather. I promise you, it is windproof. Last product that is in the Iris Smit set is our To The Point style lashes. So these pair perfectly with my To The Point stamp, which is how we kind of designed the whole collection, that it was really easy to pair up a style of lashes with this style of Quick Flick that you love the most. Alright, so this is the finished look wearing all of the products from the Iris Smit set, featuring my 4 favourite children. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration, and make sure you check out the Iris Smit set. I promise you guys will love all of the products in there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!